Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer website data to Marketo with MuleSoft detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Marketo account. Navigate to the admin section on the dashboard. In the admin menu, locate the launch point option. Click on launch point and then select new to create a new service. Choose the type of service you want to create, for example, MuleSoft connector. Fill in the required fields, including the name and description. Save your new service and note the credentials provided. Next, open your MuleSoft Anypoint platform. Log in and navigate to the Design Center. Create a new application and define its purpose, focusing on data transfer to Marketo. In the application, use the HTTP request connector to fetch data from your website. Configure the HTTP request properties, including the URL of your website's API. Set the request method to GET for retrieving data. Add a transformer component for data formatting if necessary. Next, use the Marketo connector within MuleSoft. Configure the connector settings by inputting the Marketo credentials gathered earlier. Map the data fields from your website to the corresponding fields in Marketo. Create a flow in MuleSoft that integrates these components sequentially. Test the connection from MuleSoft to Marketo to ensure data flow. Run the application to start transferring the data. Monitor the logs for any errors or issues during the transfer. Review the data in Marketo to confirm successful integration. Make adjustments as necessary based on the review of the transferred data. Document the process for future reference or team training. This guide will help you successfully transfer website data to Marketo using MuleSoft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.